JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Imou Ranger RC 5MP Panoramic Pan and Tilt Indoor Smart Wi-Fi Camera, Unboxing and Installation. The 5 megapixels allow you to capture ultra-detailed 3K images. Ranger RC can detect movement in the image and allow the camera to follow automatically. Ranger RC supports 0 to 355-degree horizontal rotation and 10 to 70-degree vertical rotation, and it also supports app remote control, giving you a 360-degree view of your home. The Ranger RC provides infrared night vision and will automatically turn on and off to guard your home 24/7. Package contents: installation guide, mounting brackets and kits, 5-volt DC power adapter, Imou Ranger RC unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.